Hi, it's Ange, and today we're gonna learn how to factory reset your PICO for Enterprise. For the PICO Enterprise, with the headset turned on, press and hold the power button and the volume plus button until the headset restarts. You can release them when the PICO logo reappears on the screen. The Android logo will then appear with the message "No comment." Press the same two buttons again for a second or simply instantly, and release them. If this doesn't work, you need to retry until it works. Timing may be crucial. A menu should then appear. Select Wipe Data and Factory Reset. To navigate up and down, use the volume plus and volume minus buttons and the power button to select. After this, click on Wipe Data and Factory Reset again. The software will be reinstalled and reset to factory settings. Thanks for watching, and if you have any doubt, just comment down below and I will answer you.